Hello dear students, today we will be discussing about partners, different types of partners or kinds of partners you can say. There are different kinds of partners, may not be just active partner, he may be acting a different roles. But whatever we are going to discuss different types of partners, all the partners are eligible, they are called as partners, they are entitled in this business. So without wasting much time, let's go for the kinds of partners. So kinds of partners are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 types of partners we are having. The first partner is active partner. Who is this active partner? Active partner means he will be actively participating in the business activities. He is responsible and he is going to do the activities of the organization like purchasing, selling, dealings with the customers, taking finance, and handling accounts, like all kinds of activities he'll be participating a lot. You know that sometimes these active partners sometimes may not be contributing the capital but only actively participating in the business activities. For that purpose also they'll be considered as a partners because active participation. So they'll be acting, but whatever they act, for that the other partners who are not much active, other partners also responsible for the activities of this active partner. Are you getting it? So we call him as a active partner. Second one is that sleeping partner, quite opposite to the active partner. Active partner is actively participating. Sleeping partner, sleeping in the sense not at all active, not doing anything, any activities are not participating. Simply namesake he is in the business. So we call him as a sleeping partner. Sleeping partner means he won't be participating anything, and his work and everything will be simple, and simply contributing the capital is his job, not participating in any of the activities. But whenever partnership gets losses, he'll be affected. He is eligible for profits, he is eligible for even to bear the losses also, everything like a normal partner, but only the thing is he won't be participating, simply contributing the capital. That is why we call him as a sleeping partner. Due to business activities, due to busy schedule, due to personal problems, some people they'll just contribute capital. They'll be called as a sleeping partners. Next one is nominal partner. Nominal partner means simply their name will be taken as a partner. They are not real partners, they are not going to participate in the activities, and they are not going to share the profits or losses, only namesake. Say for example, Mr. A or B or Mr. XY, they are very great personalities. If we take their name as they are the partners of our business, then our business is going to have a very good name and fame. For that purpose, these people name will be considered as a partners, but they are not partners. Willingly they have to consider, they have to give their willingness that I am into the partnership, but they are not contributing anything, they are not participating. That is why we say them as a nominal partners. If any huge losses and someone has given some capital or loan or something to the business because of this nominal partner, then these people are responsible for such kind of activities. Because of their name, the partnership got the loan. If the partnership is under loss, then these people are responsible for such kind of activities. This is about nominal partners. Next one, partner in profits. There are some partners who care, who's not willing to share the losses. These people can become partner in profits only. Activities, everything they can do or they may not do, but when it comes to losses, these people are not going to bear any losses, only profits. I want profits, whenever company gets profits I am eligible, if losses, don't consider me. This is one of the case of the partners, a partner in profit. Next one, partner by estoppel. Partner by estoppel means a partner or a person, simple person who is doing a kind of gestures or actions through a written or through actions, and giving a kind of expression that I am partner of this business. means he is just acting like a partner. Actually he is not partner. Example, say A in front of XYZ. XYZ, A is giving a gesture or A is giving in writing or saying in words that I am a partner of so and so company. Then A will become partner by estoppel. Though he is not partner, because of his actions, XYZ trusted, XYZ has given some loan to the business, then in such cases A will become partner by estoppel. Estoppel means not partner, but through actions, when he is making others to trust that he is a partner, then he will become partner by estoppel, only to bear the losses, not for the profits. Okay, because of his actions. Next one is that secret partner. Some partners, they do not want to reveal their name to the others. I'm a partner. I'm contributing my capital, everything I'm doing, but my name should not be taken into the public. So those kind of partners, we call them as a secret partners. They may be actively participating in the business activities, they may be giving their suggestions, they may be giving the contribution of the capital, everything they are doing, but name should not be taken into the public. So there will be secret partners. Next one, sub-partner. Sub-partner means a partner can appoint another partner. Suppose here A is a partner. A does not want to actively participate in the partnership. So A has appointed B. B may be his brother or son or friend or someone. Appointed B to take care of the activities of the partnership. Then sub-partner, B will become sub-partner. But for this, the rest of the partners has to accept. The rest of the partners has to give their assent. Then only sub-partner is possible. In such cases, whenever sub-partner is there, this sub-partner B is not responsible for any kind of losses. B's activities, B's loss, everything is going to bear by the A only. B is just like agent. Principal is A only. So sub-partner, main partner. Any losses, main partner is going to bear. Any profits, main partner is going to bear. He will be getting whatever they have an understanding, say some remuneration or salary or something. It's between the understanding between main partner and sub-partner. But profits, losses, everything is for the main partner only, but not the sub-partner. So this is about sub-partner. Next one is minor as partner. Very important. We'll be discussing about this topic. We have already discussed on this topic in business law subject, minor as a partner. So minor is here. Minor, who is minor? A person whose age is below 18 years. He'll be minor. But as per the Partnership Act, minor is not eligible to enter into the partnership. But a small consideration is given by Partnership Act that for the benefits of minor, to give much benefits to the minor, he can be considered as a partner in the partnership. Say for example, A is the partner, A expired, A's son B, minor, he can enter into the same business, father business na, so he can enter into the business as a minor partner. But law has given some kind of protection to the minor, to save the minor from the majors. If at all there is a profit, minors are eligible. If there is any loss, minors are not eligible. Minors are not supposed to bear the losses, only for profits. And for the actions of minors, others are eligible. And once if the minor becomes major, within 6 months, he has to mention that whether he wants to continue in the partnership business or not. Within 6 months, he has to mention. If he cannot mention it, if he cannot declare it, it is assumed or presumed that he will be continuing as a partner in the partnership firm. Are you getting it? So this is about minor partners. Total we have discussed about 8 types of partners. Let's have a recap. Who are the partners? The first one is active partner, who is actively participating, and sleeping partner, not at all participating, simply name purpose. Nominal partner, only name, no contribution of capital, nothing. Partner in profits, only for profits he is the partner. Partner by estoppel, with his actions or words, when he is acting like a partner, then he will become partner for the losses. Secret partner, his name will not be revealed to the public, but he is a partner in the business. Sub partner, he can appoint another partner as a partner, so that's sub partner. Minor as a partner, minor also sometimes he'll be considered as a partners. That's all. This is about kinds of partner, very important topic. Even in short notes also you may expect some question out of this partnership, partner types of partners. In the coming classes we'll discuss about partnership in depth and other topics of BOM also. Please be in touch. In the description box lot of subject, lot of topics are there. Please watch it and share these videos, utilize it to the maximum level, get good marks. Wish you good luck, take care.